Welcome to GleanCAD. Hey guys, welcome back to another video from GleanCAD. In this video, I want to explain how to create a local file vault view for PDM vault. So let me open the administration panel over here, where for this example, I'll be using this vault for creating a local file vault view. So let's go with the video. So to create a file vault view, it is recommended to log in as administrator for your Windows account. Once that is done, either you are in Windows 7 or you are on Windows 10 platform, try to go for your apps and check with the app of SOLIDWORKS PDM. So let's say I'll go to SOLIDWORKS PDM, and the one which you need to select is View Setup. So say yes. Now once when you are inside the pop-up screen, click on Next. So here it will show you the server which you have connected, where you have your file vaults. I'll select the server. Yes, it is connected. Next, and I'll select the vault which I want to use for creating my file vault view. I'll select the vault. Next. So it will ask for the location where you want to save your local cache of your file vault. You can browse, you can assign a folder to that and select the folder. So in this case, for this example, I have selected directly the C drive because I have my SSD connected to my C drive, so it will be easy for me with the fastest options to open and save my files. And here you have an option saying that the vault view will be accessible only for you or for any Windows user who have the PDM login. Now this is where you need Windows administrative rights, and that's why I asked in the starting of the video to log in as Windows administrator if you want to select for all users. Select your option and say Next. So here it will show the status of your selections, where the vault we have selected is Hitachi, the action we are creating a local view, and the status it is ready to create. Now click on Finish. Now it got created. Click on Close. Just give a refresh. Go to my computer, and the first thing you'll be seeing in the quick access, the new vault which you have created is ready for you to open. Just give a click or give a right click and say login. Give your username and password, and that's it. You have logged in. So hope you this video will help you for creating your local views. See you in the next video. Bye bye.